everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay guys, so I'm really excited. So today we have a collaboration with Antonette Decorating, and it is her home tour for 2023. Now, I am new in this home. As all of you well know, I am at Charis Bible College, Woodland Park, Colorado. We just purchased this home, so I'm still in the process of furnishing my home. So I wasn't going to be out of this collaboration, so let's get started. This is the front of the house, and I just had the ground prepared, so we went very simple. And we put some candy canes side by side in the front, perfect light pole. Okay, and then we did a bow, and then we're going to move on over closer to the door, and then we'll continue on inside. So Antonette, I just want to thank you for this collaboration. There are so many participants in this collab, and as I said before, you are a great inspiration to everyone. Okay, so we're going to move on over to the second set of candy canes. Aren't they beautiful? And from there, we're going to move on to the front door. And that wreath, I thought came out absolutely gorgeous. I have a DIY out for that. And I placed 2 poinsettias on either side of the door, guys. Now here, as you can see, I kept it simple, but I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I believe that sometimes less is more. Okay, so we couldn't go with the wreath without placing a beautiful cross right on the side, and then I embellished with a silver poinsettia. So this was a very budget-friendly wreath. Now we move on over to the poinsettia plants on either side of the door, and then we're going to move on inside, guys. Now we're starting out here in the kitchen on the very top of my cabinets. So I didn't do a whole lot of decorating, but I think I did enough. What do you guys think? To move on over to my favorite spot, my little gingerbread window. I have 2 tier trays in there, and with the lighting, I think this part here looks absolutely gorgeous, don't you? have the top of a cabinet that I just decorated, and so we can't move on without taking a look at it. I'm having a great time with these little festival of trees. So now we're moving on to this cozy corner, and I think it came out beautiful. I hope that you guys agree. So we're going to slide on over here to where I have the gingerbread coffee cups, the coffee pot, and then of course the gingerbread guy. I absolutely love this theme. Okay, so we'll take one last look in this area and then one last look at the top of the cabinet. You certainly can't miss that window. Let's move on to the next area. From here, we're moving on to the dining room, which I decided to decorate with those peppermints. We're sticking with the tea trays, the traditional colors. It's just lovely, so I'll leave you to enjoy. So this table came out absolutely gorgeous in all its decorations, but this wreath right here, snowflake wreath, I thought was amazing. love this place setting, but I especially love this beautiful touch of the peacock. Of course, let's move on to the entryway, where I have a display of nativity right here in the entrance, and I think that it just gives it that special touch. So always remembering the reason for the season is the birth of Jesus Christ. And so what better display than this nativity right at the entrance of my home? Okay, so we're gonna move on over to this beautiful vignette. Antonette, you had to know that a couple of vignettes were coming your way. Thank you for the inspiration. So now we're going to move on to the next one. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Antonette for hosting this home tour. As you can see, you're a great inspiration to so many people, and may God bless you throughout the holidays and everybody who's participating in this collaboration. Have an amazing day, guys. I just want to wish everyone a happy holiday, a safe one, and may God bless you.